Hello, welcome to my family room, and right here I have the RavPower portable SSD. It's a 1 terabyte, so this one is huge. It's a big box, but it's a small thing inside. But this is it. Okay, also I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe and the like button as well. Hopefully you'll like this one. But let's open this up and see what's inside here. We've got the manual, which is pretty big. And it tells you how to install and connect it up and everything. So, I mean, it should be pretty straightforward. I think, connecting, this is the actual drive. It's bigger than a little flash drive, but it's not that much bigger, and it's a whole terabyte. And so it should be really quick too, because it's an SSD drive and it runs off of USB-C. At least it was when I ordered it. So we'll see if that's actually what it still is. It should be a USB-C. Yeah, here it is. So it comes with a cable that is, see, it's USB-C to USB-C, and which will work good for my Mac. But it also, if you don't have a USB-C input on your computer, it's got a USB to USB-C wire as well, but I'm guessing that would probably run a little slower of a process than what the this one will be. So I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna give it a little run here and see how it looks. I'm actually going to start my screen recording. Let's see if I go to, so let's see, I don't know why it makes it so big. Okay, so I'm gonna go to here and I will do File, New Screen Recording, and Record Selected Portion. So I'm just gonna record my file manager thing, just because that's all you need to see. Actually, I'll record the small one here. Record. Okay, and now let's plug this in and we'll see what it does. So I got a bunch of USB-C ports all over this thing, so I'll just plug it into this side here. And this is I'm running on a MacBook Pro. And as soon as I plug it in, I get the RavPower shows up. And then I actually did put some videos on here earlier, but I'm going to just delete them and put some new ones on. Let's see, I like the, oh, I moved my screen recording, darn it. Well, I'm gonna record it, I'll do it after, but I did record some things and I moved over like a few gigs worth of stuff, and it was just in a matter of seconds. It was so much faster than trying to put it on a flash drive or trying to copy it across my network or even on the hard drive. I think this thing is way faster than doing any of that stuff. So I'll show you in the recording site how fast it works. But I really liked it, and it is the RavPower, and so I'll probably have it up over here or something like that. It'll probably be playing. But it's the RavPower 1 gigabyte SSD drive. I unplugged it now, so it says I shouldn't have ejected it, but it looks like it comes with some software for backups as well. But on my Mac, I really don't necessarily need that, but I'll probably give that a try too. But I would say this is really nice. It's nice and fast and small, and it comes with also what I noticed what it came with on this side of the thing when I opened it up. It came with a little case, so I can put all my goal is to put all my pictures and backup and important stuff onto this, stick it in my safe, because I want to be able to access things when I need to. So that's it. It's the RavPower and 1 gig SSD drive. Be sure and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked me talking. If not, well, subscribe anyways, because I want more viewers. And I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching.